By properly using detergents and additives, you can maximize your dishwasher's performance. In this video, we will show you how to apply detergents and additives to get the most out of your LG dishwasher. There are different types of detergents: powders, gels, tablets, and single-use packs to choose from. The dispenser compartments for your LG dishwasher are located on the door. To add detergents, push the button next to the compartment door and it will open. Add detergents into the compartment. Do not overfill. Close the compartment door. Make sure there are no obstructions that can cause the compartment from properly closing. To boost washing performance, you can also add a pre-wash to your load by filling a compartment marked pre-wash with detergent. Do not overfill. Utilizing rinse aid with every load will increase your dishwasher's performance and leave your dishes spotless. The rinse aid compartment is located next to the main wash compartment. Do not overfill. Rinse aid is vital for your LG dishwasher to function properly. To learn more about rinse aid, click the link below. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.